let's talk about the safety procedures and guidelines specific to the broadcasting studio at the TEC. It is no fun being injured, disabled, or dealing with damaged equipment. Mesquite ISD does not want to see any of our students getting hurt during the course of their education using the broadcasting studio. I have developed a few rules and procedures to help you, the student, work under safer and more desirable conditions. In order for this program to be successful, the rules must be followed and the suggestions taken seriously. You must be consistently aware of your fellow students' actions as well as your own. Only in this way can we have a safe place in which to study, work, learn, and create. The following rules, procedures, and suggestions will help make sure your time with advanced audio-video production is a positive, happy, accident-free learning experience. Number 1. No horseplay of any kind around cameras, props, scenery, or equipment. Number 2. No running with scenery, props, or any studio equipment. Number 3. Only one person on a ladder at a time. Number 4. Unauthorized personnel must not attempt to repair or test electrical equipment. Number 5. When the studio is not in use, secure all equipment with cables coiled out of the way. This prevents trips and falls, especially by visitors unfamiliar with the studio. Number 6. If any cords are on the floor and will need to be there for an extended amount of time, tape down the cords or secure them out of the way. Number 7. Do not stack cases, props, boxes, or crates so they might fall. Number 8. If water, oil, or any other liquid falls on the floor, wipe it up immediately. Wet spots cause falls. Number 9. Do not have food, drinks, or candy in the lab near any equipment in the control room or studio. Number 10. Only operate the equipment in dry surroundings. Do not operate or plug in any electrical equipment while you are on a wet surface. Keep the equipment dry. Do not operate the cameras in the rain. Number 11. Wear clothing that is appropriate for the job. Wear shoes that enclose the foot. Avoid sandals and slip-on shoes when operating equipment that moves or rolls like studio cameras. Talent must avoid wearing green at all times. For new shows, anchors will need to wear jackets and professional attire. It is considered a disrespect to the industry when anchors are not professionally dressed. Number 12. Keep audio at safe listening levels. The audio is too loud if you have to shout so someone 5 feet away from you can hear you speak. Turn the volume down. Use headphones when possible. Number 13. Turn off all lights and equipment when a production is over. Turn off both the house and studio lights, as well as the TriCaster, wireless microphones, radios, and video equipment. In conclusion, report all unsafe conditions, equipment, and people to the teacher. If you see someone being unsafe, you are permitted to inform that person immediately and tell the teacher later. You have a responsibility to do your part to keep from being injured. Some of the ways you can achieve this have been presented to you in this video. Your cooperation will protect you.
Hey class, if you like this video, please click like below and subscribe to this channel. Also, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.